How to control excessive sweating. Although some sweating is natural and even healthy, if you find yourself sweating consistently and abundantly, you may have hyperhidrosis. Excessive sweating, generally on the palms of the hands, soles of the feet, and armpits, is a symptom of this medical disease. Hyperhidrosis is not a life-threatening condition, but it can cause substantial physical and mental discomfort, as well as embarrassment. Excessive sweating can be controlled and even treated, thankfully. Number 1. Use Stronger Antiperspirant. When trying to stop excessive sweating, the first thing you should do is switch to a Stronger Antiperspirant. While prescriptions are necessary for the most powerful of these, companies like Dove and Secret sell therapeutic strength versions over the counter. Understand the distinction between antiperspirants and deodorants. Deodorants just hide scents, but antiperspirants constrict sweat glands and prevent excess moisture. As a result, if you suffer from excessive sweating, you should apply an antiperspirant, although antiperspirant deodorants are also available. Antiperspirants with a prescription strength often contain 10 to 15% aluminum chloride hexahydrate as an active component. Although this substance is excellent at reducing sweat, it can cause skin irritation in some people, so you may need to search around for a mix that works for you. Number 2. Choose clothing wisely. When it comes to keeping perspiration under control, the correct apparel may make all the difference. Wearing breathable clothes will help you avoid sweating excessively in the first place, and selecting smart wardrobe selections can help you hide sweat stains and avoid feeling self-conscious. Lightweight textiles are recommended. Cotton and another lightweight, breathable textiles will allow your skin to breathe and keep you from overheating. If you need to stay cool, use lighter hues. Light hues reflect sunlight, keeping you cooler throughout the day. They will, however, reveal sweat stains more than dark colors, so deciding whether to remain cool or disguising the perspiration is more important. To hide sweat stains, choose dark colors and patterns. Wearing dark colors and patterned clothing can assist to hide sweat stains, making them less conspicuous or even imperceptible as you go about your day. Shoes should be breathable. If you have sweaty feet, investing in high-quality, breathable shoes is an excellent option. You can also wear 100% cotton socks with moisture-wicking insoles inside your shoes to help reduce sweating. Number 3. Shower at least once a day. Showering on a regular basis might assist in removing smells created by excessive perspiration. Sweat, which is essentially a combination of water, salt, and electrolytes, does not have an odor. When the apocrine glands in the underarms and groin secrete a viscous material combining lipids, proteins, and pheromones, odor develops. This viscous fluid subsequently combines with ordinary perspiration and microorganisms on the skin's surface, giving sweat its characteristic odor. Washing your hands every day, particularly with antibacterial soap, will help prevent bacteria from accumulating on the skin's surface, minimizing smells. After a shower, it's also crucial to put on clean clothes since bacteria may live on filthy garments. Number 4. Avoid spicy foods. Spicy meals, such as chili peppers or Indian curries, might cause you to sweat more, so try to avoid them, at least at lunch on work days or on a date. Avoid meals like garlic and onions, as the strong scents associated with these foods can be transmitted through perspiration. Overall, eating whole grains, fruits, and vegetables is good. They won't stop you from sweating, but they can help the perspiration smell better. Number 5. Reduce stress. Some individuals sweat a lot when they are upset, tense, or anxious, therefore it makes the reason that if you can regulate your stress levels, you can control your perspiration. When you're tense or apprehensive, your brain releases neurotransmitters that tell your body to start sweating, making you uncomfortable and agitated. Try not to bite off more than you can chew at work to reduce stress. Focus on relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation if you find yourself sweating due to nervousness before a presentation or meeting with your supervisor. Number 6. Cut back on bad habits. Smoking, drinking alcohol, and consuming too much caffeine may all cause excessive perspiration, so it's a good idea to avoid them as much as possible. Being overweight causes you to sweat more, so if you could reduce a few pounds, that's an excellent place to start. Number 7. Drink more water. Sweating occurs when your body temperature rises above a certain point and your body secretes water to cool it down. Drinking enough cold water throughout the day helps to keep your body temperature in check and prevents it from rising too high, reducing the need to sweat. Furthermore, drinking plenty of water causes toxins to be expelled from the body via urine, rather than sweating them out via the skin. Toxins that are removed via the skin combine with sweat to produce foul smells. As a result, consuming plenty of water might help your perspiration smell better. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to aid with perspiration and a variety of other health advantages, such as clearer skin and better digestion. Number 8. Use cornstarch or baking soda. Baking soda and cornstarch are excellent materials to use on sweaty, irritated regions such as the feet and beneath the breasts. Baby powder is another nice alternative, but it should be used with caution because some studies have connected it to some types of cancer. These powders absorb excess moisture fast and keep the region dry for several hours when rubbed on the skin. Baking soda has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, ideal for sensitive skin. However, it is generally advisable to use a solution particularly intended for controlling perspiration in the groin area. Number 9. Try turnip juice. Some individuals believe that turnip juice might help to minimize excessive perspiration by lowering sweat gland activity. You may get the juice from a turnip by shredding it using a vegetable grater and then squeezing the shredded flesh. Number 10. Drink sage tea. Sage tea is a little-known herbal cure for excessive sweating that is said to stop sweat glands from overproducing perspiration. While you might be able to obtain sage tea in a health food store, the tea is also quite simple to prepare at home. Boil a handful of dried or fresh sage leaves in a kettle of water. After the tea has boiled, drain the leaves from the liquid and allow it to cool slightly before sipping. A cup or 2 of this each day should be enough. Number 11. Apply lemon juice. Lemon juice, which contains citric acid, can assist in reducing the smells associated with excessive perspiration. Simply squeeze a fresh lemon or use a container of pre-squeezed lemon juice to apply straight to the regions where you sweat the most. You'll have a fresh lemon scent all day. Lemon juice can irritate delicate skin due to its acidity. Because the juice might hurt, avoid applying it to sensitive regions or damaged or scraped skin. Number 12. Use prescription medication. Excessive sweating can be controlled using a variety of medications. They function by preventing sweat glands from interacting with neurons in the brain. These medications have been proven to be highly useful in some individuals, so talk to your doctor about getting a prescription if you're interested. These drugs have been linked to impaired vision, bladder issues, and a dry mouth, among other things.
To get latest videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to share with your loved ones.